你要同佢一齊玩，你知玩過嗱，你好買到啦，買唔騷你啦，隻腳啊！
呢個邊個？
哎呀，都影唔到呢個樣。咩叔叔啊，公公啊，
叫我蘇啊！
我梗係知啊。佢冇唔 pay attention 你啊，
真係佢唔理添啊！而家
佢唔怕就得啦。係呀。
咁你整多兩嘢啦。
豬豬。
She works like really far.
媽媽，話邊個叫媽媽？
邊個叫媽媽？
Yeah, but his wife works in fast food. Yeah. And you know, half of the day of the week they stay here. His mom's another half they go to Flushing.
走啦！
你之後都未話走，你走咩啫？嘅你拋眼飯，趕住溝女啊？等陣啦。
求睇住。
So it makes sense if they move, you know.
嗰啲冚唥啲阿婆幾廿歲，唉，我都冇心機同我
你都係
講。
阿婆嚟㗎。
唉，所以我溝僆仔唔溝阿婆。睬你都唔求嘅啫。
Because at first he wanted to buy a house in Long Island, but
哇！冧啦咁樣講啦。
2 weeks ago, I saw the in Jericho, you know, in the newspaper. Only 690.
Yeah,
Well, actually, my friend she bought a house just in
知啊，你今晚唔使瞓覺咯。
no,